Hello everyone and welcome to first video of your .NET course. In this video we are going to learn how we can actually start programming in .NET. Before that you need to download Visual Studio .NET. There are lots of articles which shows you how to download .NET framework on your computer. So after downloading .NET, you may have Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, 8, or 12, or 13. And so, in order to get started, first open up your Notepad. Don't worry, we can program uh, in .NET as well as in IDE, which is Visual Studio .NET. First, we just start programming in Notepad, then we gradually move into .NET framework. To save some time, I have already typed a simple program. Um, Here you can see a simple welcome program. The first statement is same as we use in C programming, like as include in Java, import statement. This is the same as those statements in .NET we use using. And system is it's a namespace which contains all the classes which needed to run this function. So then there is a notepad. We just give a namespace to identify in order to execute a program, which is the internal task which is done by a compiler itself. Then we have a class named as one, and we have a static method, and we have console, right? And it takes a string as argument. Console is a class. In this class we have a function called write. We are accessing this function by using a dot, which is also known as member accessor. So in order to execute this program, we need to go to our Visual Studio tool. Then we find Visual Studio command prompt, and we need to compile this program. First, I'll show you which throws an error. Here we need to type CSC and the file name, which is example, which is example.cs. When I hit enter, it throws an error. I'll tell you why. It says that this example.cs file could not be found because the file is in desktop location. Currently we are in this location. Currently we are in program files, Microsoft Visual. So we need to change the directory. So in order to change, bring this command prompt to this location, we need to know first location of our file. So in order to go to our location of file, we need to first click properties, and here we can see the location of this file. Just copy this location and simply change directory and paste and hit enter. Now you can simply compile this program. In order to, before that, when you compile a program, it actually produces a exe, which is your application. You can double click your exe as you do with all other programs, or run it from your command prompt, like In order to run this program, you need to simply type the program name or example.exe, or you can simply double click over here, which just the program has executed, but it just went off quickly. I'll later tell you why it happened, and as of now, we need to focus on this basic programming. So as we move very slowly in order to learn .NET in more precisely. Excuse me. So this is our program output, whichever we have given here, which has an argument, a string, we printed out on the screen. So this is our first video, and we will discuss more topic in depth in coming up videos. Thank you very much.